Welcome to Arjun Bhagat Decodes or AB Decodes. Now, this editorial on Arjun Bhagat Decodes on Ranveer Alabadia and his cronies Samir Raina and others has been written by senior journalist Mihir Srivastav and myself. So here goes. Ranveer Alabadia, also known for his channel Beer Biceps, distasteful and disgusting remarks about parents and sex in the now deleted YouTube show have sparked massive outrage, and rightly so. And that he's on the run and has apologized in a tear-jerking video, which frankly is a PR stunt and fake, or that he is scared of his life doesn't absolve him of his responsibility to operate in a lawful way in public space and social media platforms. The freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed to all citizens of India in Article 19 of the Constitution. But no fundamental right is absolute. It is governed by the larger sensibility of the society. The relationships with God and amongst the family members are sacrosanct. In fact, incest in India is treated as rape, and its glorification is an outright crime. And the right to freedom of speech and expression doesn't allow anyone to trivialize rape, which Ranveer and his cronies have glorified, or, as in this case, incest, to sound farcical and seek attention of people in the amorphous world of internet on platforms like YouTube, X, Instagram, with the objective to fish for followers. In a way, this strategy of ridiculing family, relationship, God, making obscenity mainstream, being blatantly outrageous, blasphemous, hurt the popular sentiments to sound funny and liberated and build a capital roasting others on camera to get attention and numbers has worked well for them. They have become popular and rich. Not just his show Beer Biceps, but also Samir Raina, who hosts India's Got Latent, where the contentious remarks are a good example of this phenomena. They are powerful influencers who have become rich peddling crude and filthy language, opinion makers devoid of any responsibilities, and when things go out of hand, they just vanish, issue an apology, beseech the apex court to protect the fundamental rights. The Supreme Court on Tuesday, 18th of Feb, granted protection from arrest to YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Alabadia in connection with multiple FIRs registered against him over crass jokes he made on the comedian Samir Raina, India's Got Latent show. But the court let its opinion be heard loud and clear. A bench of Justice Surya Kant and Justice N. Koteshwar Singh, hearing the plea of Alabadia by Abhinav Chandrachud, the son of former Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, said such behavior had to be condemned despite being popular. Now that's the Supreme Court saying it. It said that Alabadia's obscene remarks showed his mind that made the entire society feel ashamed. The court went on, if this is not obscene, then what is? You can show your vulgarity anytime and show depravity. There are two FIRs, one in Mumbai and one in Assam. Now, liberty is a separate issue. It is not that every case is targeting you, the Supreme Court said, and you are entangled. Suppose 100 FIRs are there and he can say he cannot defend himself. Justice Khan said, such behavior has to be condemned. Just because you're popular, you cannot take society for granted. Is there anyone on earth who will like this language? The Supreme Court asked. There is something very dirty in his mind which has been vomited. Why should we protect him? He added. He further said, the words you have chosen, parents will feel ashamed, daughters and sisters will feel ashamed. The entire society will be ashamed. These are the levels of depravity you and your henchmen have gone to. The rule of law and system has to be followed. And the Supreme Court then hit back at the advocate Chandrachud and questioned whether he was defending the language used by the podcaster, even though the advocate said he was himself disgusted personally by his obscene remarks. Calling the joke condemnable, reprehensible, and dirty, the court said there should be responsibility in making such statements and said he should not take society for granted. Have you got the license to speak these kinds of things? The bench asked. So now, while Alabadia has protection from immediate arrest, he will face long and protracted legal challenges. His carefully constructed image is now in tatters, as it should be. Frankly, I have no sympathy to people like him who use filthy language and feel they are a gift of God. Do write back with your comments, and thanks for watching AB Decodes.